How to see card number on Apple Pay. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can check your Apple Pay card number on your iPhone. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now, scroll down and tap on Wallet and Apple Pay. Here, under Payment Cards, you'll see the cards you've added. Tap on the card you want to check, for example, your Chase card. Once you open it, you may see the card number details. Depending on your bank, it might show the full number or just the last 4 digits. Now, let's check another method. Go back to Settings and tap on your name at the top. Then tap on Payment and Shipping. Here, you'll again see your saved card. Tap on it, and it may show more details like the card number, expiration date, and other information. If both of these methods don't show the full number, there's one more workaround. Open a web browser and go to Apple's official website. Try adding any product to your cart, like an Apple Watch, and proceed to checkout. When you select Apple Pay, it may auto-fill your card details, allowing you to view the full number before completing the purchase. Just make sure you don't actually complete the transaction. So, that's how you can check your Apple Pay card number on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching!